Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles makeup video. And today we are testing out, I finally got it, the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Now I have heard a lot of people say that they wear this by itself just as a foundation. I was just reading what it says, and it says it as a base or a glow to a foundation. So it's light coverage. I'm not sure it's going to be what I think it's going to, thought it was going to be, because it was supposed to be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, something like that, which I've never tried. But I thought, if this is a dupe for it, I want to try it, because this is a lot less expensive. This was $14, and it's exclusively in store at Target, but you can get it online at e.l.f. or at Ulta or several places. So if you don't mind paying shipping, or you have an order already going that's over $35, then you can get it online anywhere. To get it at, it took me forever to get it at Target because the light colors were always gone. So anyways, I got it. This is the number 3. I also have the number 5 because that's the one I finally got, because they had the darker colors. This is the lightest that they had. They had whatever's after this, 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't remember now how many shades there are. Not very many though. And so anyways, I got 3, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be the exact color, so I will just take this one back. But if this turns out to be a little light, which I don't think it is, if anything it looks a little dark, then I will add a little of that to it. But anyways, that's what we're trying today. So let me read you what it says. Like I said, I got the number 3. I really was going to get the number 4, but now that I see the 3 up against my skin, I'm thinking maybe this is better anyways. All right, it says, it's a full-size multi-purpose liquid glow booster infused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft, focused, social filter effect. Why you'll love it, skin care makeup hybrid for glowing, dewy skin complexion, looks healthy and more radiant, can be used 4 ways. Alone, you can wear it alone, over or under makeup, mix with foundation, or use as a highlighter. Enriched with skin-loving ingredients like squalene, hyaluronic acid, available in 8 universal shades. So that's all it says about it. Pretty much. So let's just try it and see. All right, we're going to do the TikTok method because it's such a light coverage. I definitely want to get as much coverage as I can. I know. All right, so I am going to go in with my CeraVe moisturizer. And then we'll go in with a little bit of our Bye Bye Pores. And I call this TikTok method because that's where I saw it first. Now I'm going to spray my face with my Morphe setting spray. So I'm just going to use my fan until it's dry. You want to make sure it's good and dry. All right, I think it's dry enough. Yep. Okay, so now we are ready for primer. I'm going to use my Tarte base tape. I don't know. I love the smell of this stuff. I am just going to, it did look kind of peachy, and it looks really peachy, but it's supposed to be sheer, so hopefully that will like blend out. Yeah, it still looks kind of peachy, huh? And very glowy, but it's supposed to be glowy. And I'm gonna powder it. I may powder it, use my bareMinerals powder if it's not enough coverage. It looks like it is though. Pretty good, very glowy. So if you like glowy, this could be it for you. I'm gonna go in with my sponge and see if we can tone the orange down. Spread it out real good. I should try this with some of those matte ones. Put it underneath. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll put that BAREPRO powder over it and see how well the glow comes up through it. I think we will. It's very, very glowy. Yeah, I would never, ever, I can tell you right now, wear this by itself. I like a glow, but this is super glow. I can't believe all those people that said they wore it by itself. Because it's really, I look like a grease ball. It doesn't feel greasy, but it definitely shines like grease. So I'm thinking if we put that powder foundation over it, that is really gonna make it pretty, because it's gonna come through, but not as much as this. Let's go ahead and do our concealer and our liquid, our cream contour. All right, that's enough of that. Let's go in with our contour. This is the NYX Wonder Stick. I'm going to use a little bit of my cream highlight on the other end of the Wonder Stick. I really like this highlight, so I'm just going to put some underneath because it tends to last longer when I do. So far it's a bit shiny for me, but we're going to put that powder foundation over it, the bareMinerals BAREPRO, and we're just going to use a brush because I don't want to put a lot, just a little, just to tone down the shine. So we're going to use this and this, and this is in the color Neutral, and we're just going to go over. See if we can bring down some of the shine a bit, because I know it's going to come back through. So now I'm going to try this, blend it out nicely, and then I'm going to use my Bye Bye Pores on my wrinkles. So I'm just going to go in with my sponge under my eyes, and then down here where I got lots of wrinkles. And then I'm going to take my powder brush and just kind of spread that out to everywhere. I know this is a process, because I probably would not use this since I have to use a foundation with it because it's way too glowy for me. It looks really nice, but it was a few extra steps that I probably wouldn't be willing to do on a regular basis. And basically I'm going everywhere I went with the cream, I'm just reinforcing it with powder. Good. All right, let's add some blush. We're going to use our Dallas from Benefit. And this is blush bronzer. I like it because it's basically got just a slight plum tint to it, and otherwise it just looks like you've been out riding the trail. And then I'm just gonna put this where I put my other highlight, my cream. And then take this and blend all that. All right, we're ready to do the eyes. And I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. I'm gonna be using the Pomade from Benefit. All right, and now I'm gonna use the brow gel from Benefit. Okay, now for the eyes, I wanted to, since we're using an e.l.f. foundation, we'll use an e.l.f. palette, and this is the bite-sized palette in the color Rose Water. We're gonna start off with this color, the matte one, all across my lid, and just pretty much cover the whole lid. So now I'm gonna go in with this sparkly one right here and put that on my lid, or on 3/4 of my lid, like that 3/4. And it's pretty light. I thought it would be darker, and there is a lot of fallout. So I think what I'm gonna do, since there's so much fallout, is grab this denser brush and spray it with a little Fix Plus. And then grab some of that sparkly goodness so that I don't get quite as much fallout. Now I'm going to take just a little bit of this darkest color, put that on my brush, and then pack it in the outer V. But I might need to put wetness on it also. I don't remember these needing so much or having so much fallout. All right, I'm going to stop while I'm ahead on that. All right, we're going to grab our fluffy brush again and blend a little bit. And now I'm going to grab this, and I'm going to use this lightest color. And we're going to use that on the inner part of my lid. Right. Let's go in with some liner, and then we'll do our lips and we're done. I'm going to use my NYX liquid liner. We're gonna do lips. So now let's pick a pencil. But I also have this MAC pencil. This is the color Dervish. So that's the Dervish. And now let's try the black honey on this. I'm really loving this black honey. It doesn't go on top of like a real creamy lipstick though. But that's it. That's our look of the day. What do you guys think? Should I take these off? This is what we're doing. This is where we are. So anyways, like I said, I would probably not wear this every day. I would save it for, I'm sure it's a really good dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one, because it gave super glow, and as you can see, I still have glow coming through, and I'm sure as the day goes on, it will come through even more. And that is with 2 powders on top of it, because I did the bareMinerals powder, and then I did the Bye Pores powder. But I think in the future, if I'm gonna use this, when I use this, I will mix it with my foundation, like just a little bit in with a matte foundation, and I bet it would be awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!